everyone, Saviroosje here, and today I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to explain why I haven't been so active on YouTube lately. And today's drawing is also inspired by today's topic, so please enjoy this speed paint while I will explain why I haven't been so active on YouTube. So, I will start at the beginning. So some of you might know that last year I graduated and got my bachelor's degree, and almost 1 or 2 days later I got invited to a viewing for a house. So I could finally live together with my boyfriend. And so we went to look at the house and I fell in love, and the next day my boyfriend came to look at the house. He fell in love, we fell in love, and we had around 2 days to say yes to this amazing opportunity. So of course we said yes. And yeah, I haven't ever moved houses before. So I have lived 25 years in the same place. So yeah, it was actually really a huge step for me to move out of the house and start living on my own. And yeah, that all happened super quickly, and we had to do a lot in the house as well, even though it was quite alright on the inside, but you still have to do all the floors and painting and decorating and yeah, so many other stuff, also the lights and things like that. And we did everything on our own with the help of our family. But still, it was a lot of work, and yeah, so that was one thing. And then we finally moved into the place after it being kind of done. And yeah, then I decided to do or become a freelancer, and I got some jobs to do, which was fun, but I was home all the time. And my boyfriend is working night shifts, so I was alone a lot. And in 25 years I haven't been alone much, so that was quite hard, and I kind of fell into a depression, and it was a really bad time for me. But luckily we went to Japan in November, and that was like the best thing that ever happened to me. I never flew before, I never went outside of Europe, so that was another very big step for me. And I noticed that graduating, moving houses, starting living together, suddenly being an adult, and doing all that stuff was just so hard. And then, yeah, you just need to prioritize over things. And yeah, at that time, YouTube wasn't a very high priority for me, even though that I still made some videos in the past couple months. And yeah, I just have to tell you that it was really difficult to make those, and that it took quite some time to make them. But yeah, I still just love doing it, so yeah. But anyways, the year passed by very quickly, and then it was 2019 already, and then I decided to do a actual job, because the freelancing was fun, but it wasn't much work, and I really wanted to get out of the house because it just wasn't good for me anymore to stay home so often. But I have to say, we do have my dog here, so I wasn't alone 100%, but still I can guess that you know what I mean with being alone. But my dog was a great help, of course. I'm really happy he's still here, and yeah, having a dog is really nice, but also really tiring to care for 24 hours as well. So anyways, I decided to do a cleaning job, which I have done often before, and I kind of like it. It's just cleaning for elderly people, and it always really feels good and rewarding. So at that time I started to feel better a little bit. And yeah, then it was February, I think, I'm not sure. Then I got invited for a job, actually, and I thought, oh well, that's probably never going to happen. They really want an amazing person. And yeah, I got invited to the job interview and they hired me. So in April, I started a job as a junior graphic designer for 32 hours per week, but I also travel a lot, which is also 8 hours a week. So it's basically 40 hours per week, which I have to spend on the actual job. And I think that you can imagine that working 40 hours in the week and doing everything in the house and cooking, cleaning, taking care of the dog takes a lot of time, especially if I also want to draw and post on Instagram. And I do wanted to post on YouTube, but it was just so hard. And when I get home, I'm so tired. And I only have around 3 hours time for myself, because then I need to go to bed and start up to go to work again. So in those 3 hours, I also need to take care of the house and take care of the dog. So yeah, I end up having maybe 1 or 2 hours for me. And 2 hours max is not enough to make YouTube videos every week. So yeah. It is actually really a bummer that I can't do it that often anymore, but I'm definitely not giving up on YouTube. So please don't think that I randomly disappear and never come back, because I still love doing it. It will just take more time to upload, and yeah, I do my best, okay? It's just really hard because I'm tired, and I can tell you, being an adult is not fun, and I wish to be back at school and living home and getting food every day, and oh my god, you have no idea? Life as an adult is horrible. No, I'm super grateful for this house and the opportunity and the job and everything, but doing just everything at once is a bit hard, but I'll manage. And yeah, that is just basically what I wanted to tell you guys. And sorry that my story is a bit random at times. I am not writing it down. I'm just talking to you directly, so it's a bit harder for me now. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I'm fine and that it's just really hard to do everything. But yeah, I try, okay? I will try to make more videos and I'll try to be more active, and yeah, just please don't forget about me. I'm still here, and I have some plans for other videos as well, but I'll just need to see when I have time for making them. But yeah, just so you know, I am fine, I'm doing great, and I have not forgotten about YouTube. And if you're interested in my life, then please visit my Instagram account. And yeah, I'll post there quite often, or at least in my story, and you can always talk to me through direct messages if you want. So yeah, I guess that's everything I wanted to say, and I just really hope that you're all fine, and please let me know how you are. Actually, I'm really curious. So yeah, I just really hope you like this video, and I hope you're still here and looking forward for more content. And I just hope that you all understand that it is just really hard to make videos and that it costs a lot of time, and yeah, I'm not really getting paid for it, so it is just a hobby. So yeah, please be patient for new content, but there will be more, I promise. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you like this video, and I wish you all a great weekend, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye bye!